has just been a big surprise. Like, volume 1 came out and it's like, oh my goodness, this is so amazing, right? And then it just kept like growing and growing and growing. So yeah, we have like 20,000 community members and people are winning, okay? They are really winning in this. So whatever you want to do, I mean, people are publishing books, people are getting branding deals, there's UGC. But more importantly, I think you do have to focus on your mindset, and you have to have some type of accountability for yourself to come in here and to learn. And there are people that will help you, but you have to help yourself first. So let's see. My latest posts were in regards to affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is almost like an easy step to entrepreneurship. Let's just say you are interested in getting into digital marketing, but you're not sure how deep you want to go yet. Maybe you just want to get your feet wet. So with affiliate marketing, there could be another creator who has a product and they're selling it, and you have the rights to sell it. You don't have to really like spend a lot of time branding it and things like that. I mean, you can get a commission of the affiliate marketing as where, like, compared to MRR, which is master resale rights, it's 100% profit. But you know, there's a lot of pros and cons to each. But if you can look at which business model helps you the best, I think just learning in general about both is very helpful when you start out.